Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the expansion material between a driveway slab and the garage door floor. So you can see here we've got all this poor job done putting some kind of caulking or silicone or some type of sealant in this area. Looks like there's might be some old expansion material foam down there, but it's very filled with junk. So what we're going to do is get all of that out and then replace it with some nice new expansion material between the two slabs. So the first step will be to scrape all that out. I'll show you what that looks like coming up next when it is done, so you can see the nice cleaned out product. That's going to be a long process because we got a big garage door. So scrape all that out. You can use a flathead screwdriver or some other type of tools. You can try to get a vacuum in there, whatever it takes, but get that cleaned out. Obviously it needs to be at least as deep as this if you can. If you can't, we could always cut this a little shorter, but try to get it about 4 inches down.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below and I'll do what I can to help you out. Also, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos on How To Video Channel. Thank you.
Here you can see we have all of the junk removed and loosened up. So it's kind of a mess. Looks like there was some styrofoam down in there as well. So we got all that out. Now it's time to get the shop vac and vacuum this up. Once you have the track all cleaned out, the next step will be to lay in the expansion material like so. You can see we can't get it all the way down because there is a concrete ledge right there. So the bottom of the material hits that. So you get it in as far as you can, and then you'll have to cut off the top portion of this material. You can also see that it's got some play. So if you wanted, you could try to cram in some extra. Sometimes you could glue this in, but the best thing is put it in loose in long strips, as long as possible, all the way down. And then anytime you need to clean it, you can lift this out and either vacuum or get a blower and blow that out. So I'll show you what the finished product looks like once we have this laid in, just like that. So here you have it. That is how to prep and lay in expansion material between a driveway slab and a garage floor slab. So you can see here we got it laid all the way down. Next step, cut it flush, and then you will be good to go.